right? What is the next thing? The next thing is the follow pause. And you see, the follow pause is corresponding to a position, right? It is a bit tricky, so please focus. See, so follow pause of 1, I'll just write it like this: follow pause of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 positions, so we'll have 6 follow pause for 6 positions, right? Okay, let's write it. So follow pause means what may follow a particular position 1 when I am deriving a string. What do I mean by that? Say for example 1 is a position. So what can follow 1? What is a possibility? What all positions can follow 1? So the result of this will be a set of positions, right? Set of positions. I'm writing it like this. So it will also be set of positions. It will also be set of positions. It will also be set of positions. So this follow pos of 1 will also be a set of positions. So what all positions can follow the position 1? I'll take example, clarify. Let's say, so I have a string. So this follow pos belongs to the entire tree, okay? Because we do not consider it for a node, okay? For firstpos, lastpos, we are considering the intermediate nodes. But here follow pos is corresponding to a position. So I'll have to consider the entire regular expression, right? Or the entire tree. So you see, I have this A or B, right? Star A, B, B hash. Now you see, what is the position of this? This is 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Just for simplicity, I'm writing it. Now you see, what can follow 1? So if I have to find the follow of 1, then I have to take a from this 1 position, right? The A with position 1 should always be taken. Otherwise, how will I find the follow, or how will I find which positions are following this A, right? I have to mandatorily take it, right? So I'm taking this A from here. Okay. Next, I'm not taking B. I'm simply writing the entire mandatory thing. So this is mandatory thing, right? A, B, B hash. So if I take this string, what is the position? This position is for A, 1. And what is the position of this A? This is the mandatory A. This one, right? This one, sorry. So it is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. Okay. So what is following 1? So 3 is following 1, right? So I will write here 3. Okay. Is anything possible? Anything else possible? So let's take this A must be taken. Otherwise, I cannot find the um, follow of A. So A is taken. Now say, I'll make this star as 2, right? So I can take it another time, right? And this another time I'm taking B from here. I'm not taking A. So for the first time, let's say the star value is 2. So I'm using in the first term I'm taking A, and in the next term I'm taking B. So A, B, and now the mandatory A, B, B hash. So now this position is 1. This position is again 2. This is 3. This is 4. 5. This is 6. So what is following this one? Followed by 2. So 2 is also possible. Right here 2. Is anything else possible? Let me write it here. So let's say for the first time I'm taking A. This must be taken, as you understand now. And for the next time also I'm taking A, right? So the star value is 2, and in the first turn I'm taking A. In the second turn also I'm taking A from this particular thing, right? So A, and the mandatory thing A, B, B. So what is the position of this? This is, I think it is not visible, right? Just else I'll just so let's say I have this A, right? followed by again an A, then we have A, B, B. So this is mandatory, right? This is the mandatory part because this is concatenated. So from the, say the star value is 2. So I am taking in the first turn A. In the second turn also I am taking A. So what is the position of this one? This is 1. What is the position of this A? This is also 1. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. So hash is 6. So what is following A? See, 1 is following 1. 1 is also possible. I think this was not visible. Uh, so let me just tell you again how this 2 came into picture, right? So I have taken A from the star, right? And the star value is 2. So in the second term, I'm taking B and followed by A, B, B mandatory. So here you see this A is coming from 1, this A is coming, this B is coming from 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and so this 1 is being followed by 2. That is why I have written 2 here. I hope this is clear. So in this way, what is following 2? Say, in the same way, B can also be followed by 1, 2, 3 positions. If you have understood the number 1, you can understand this also, right? If you did not, I will just I'll just show you once again. Okay, focus. Okay, so for B, what is possible? Let's take a string. So let's say I obviously have to take the B with position 2 at the first. So I'm choosing B followed by A, B, B. This is mandatory, right? This is from the star part. So this position is 2. This position is 3. This is 4. This is 5. So 2 is being followed by 3. That is why 3 here, right? The next possible string is I have taken B from the star and A from the star next time. So the star value is 2 now, and I have taken A followed by, followed by A, B, B. Now this B is 2, this A is 1, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So 2 is being followed by 1. That is why this 1 I have written. And the next one that is possible is B, B, A, B, B. Now this B is from the first star. So position is 2. This B is from the second star. So this is also 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. That is why the 2 is present here, followed by 2. Okay. So in this way, you can find it out. For 3, what is possible? So you can see for 3, the Followpos can be, I think it is 4, right? Because if you take an example, okay, from here also you can see for every string, this A is being followed by B, right? And this B is coming from 4 always. It is possible. It is not possible that you can have other values because it is concatenation node, right? So the Followpos of 3 will be 4 always. The Followpos of 4 will always be 5. The Followpos of 5 will be always 6. Followpos of 6 will be, it will be null or 5 maybe. Okay. This is how you find out the Followpos.